save. When you come to here and refresh, you see it's interesting. We have already got the link for the icon for login and for join. So what if we minimize the browser? See, when I click this one, it is not working. What's the problem? The problem is here. We are not using any kind of jQuery, so we need to use jQuery as well. So let's go and search for jQuery. Okay, to download jQuery, go to code.jquery.com and just click one of them from here. But the last one, let me use the last one, minified one. So I wanted to copy this one, copy it. Then I will take to my header this one also, but I will show you later. I don't think we will use it over here. Script, then in here source will be this one. Save. When you come to browser, come to our browser, refresh this one, try to modify. It's not working. What the problem? Next to this one, we need to add a script which we have already downloaded, JavaScript, JS Bootstrap Mini. Save. Can refresh. Look, we need to create the exact jQuery link is from the internet. So again, from here we need to again download the copy this link in exactly this copy and come here, paste. Don't make this line to be like this. Source, again this one to make it on the one line. Next to this one, we need to add script for Java, for JavaScript, JS, Bootstrap. If we need, we can delete or cancel anything from here. Now save. Come to here. Come to our file, refresh. Same, minimize this one. Wow, it's cool. It's working. So if you got some error like this one, most of the time use right click and inspect element. After that, go to console. After that, the error will be displayed on here. In case of Bootstrap, jQuery and JavaScript is okay. It is very important to use something like that. Next, we will say this one. On the next, we have already finished the upper side. Now let's go and check for this one. This is just a line. This is just a line. So we simply use saying like this. Picture. Then we will style this one. Style border color. Border color to be hash, something like black, hash just like say if, yeah. Save and come here, refresh. So we have already finished the upper parts of the code. We will continue on the next parts. On the next part, which is localhost, let me check for validation. On the next part, we are going to create these forms, this kind of form. So to create this kind of form, we will go to the codes and below the line we will create a file.